Hey, what's up guys? This is Robert here with ZetaMotorsports.com. I wanted to show you real quick before I pull this motor off the engine dyno our new header kit that we've came out with. We took an old style, modified it to fit what we sell as far as like round ports, exhaust, because you know they make rectangle and circle. We particularly use a round port. So we took it, modified it, and had it made. And basically what this flange is, it bolts on here, okay? And it allows you to adapt a dirt bike pipe with this piece here. Basically you weld this onto the end of your pipe. It's got a built-in O-ring and it slips on here. Here's a pipe just to show you. So any regular dirt bike pipe, if you want to use a CR80 or a KTM or anything like that, in this particular, this is a MZ65, and it slips on. Right? You put your bolt there, and you just run your springs, and the springs hold it on. It does require welding and stuff like that. It works absolutely amazing. If you're tired of blowing exhaust gaskets and all this gets rid of all that problem. We use a brass exhaust gasket here. What this kit also allows it to do, it allows the pipe to vibrate and move, you know, when the engine moves and stuff like that, or on roads, you know, you got bumps and stuff. It allows the pipe to move with the O-ring that keeps it sealed, so you won't blow exhaust gaskets anymore, which is very annoying. So anyways, try it out, check it out. They're not expensive at all, so you know, it does require welding. If you guys need a pipe welded, buy a pipe from us, buy a header kit, you know, we'll do it. It's no problem at all. I'm not a great welder, but it won't leak. I'm a good grinder, I guess. Anyways, check it out. I'm in love with it. I won't ever go back to, you know, exhaust gaskets and that crap again. So check it out. ZetaMotorsports.com. Appreciate you guys.